Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. So guys, when you have logged in your Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen. So guys, now you have to open your settings here. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone, and after doing this you have to go back, scroll it below, click on general. From here you have to click on VPN and device management. So guys, simply you have to disconnect your VPN if connected, and now you have to go back. After this you have to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone, and after this you have to select your region according to your country from here. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. From here you have to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after doing update you have to go back and log in again your Apple ID and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser. So guys, for example, I am going to open Safari browser here, and guys, here you need to search support.apple.com. After opening this official website of Apple Support, you have to select your gadget here. I am going to select your iPhone and scroll it below. From here you will see the option of Get Support. Click on this, Start Now, and you have to wait for a new page. So guys, from here you have to scroll it down, as you can see, and click on more option. From here you will see the option of App Store, and now you have to click on Continue. And from here you will see the option of Call As. Simply you have to click on this tab and you need to call at these numbers. Tell them your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.